Right now we're up on, what do you call this place?
I call it Aki Street, on the hilltop.
On the hilltop?
Yeah. Aki Street, we're up on the hills, isn't it?
In a Mandeville.
Yeah, man, man.
What your name?
Domain seller, you know? Otherwise, no have blood.
Why them call you blood?
Because that's my original gangster name. Cause the reason when they call me blood, I show first time me usually bad and anything. Me usually get all cut for me and anything. I see me all blood. For me, I look at you, I say all blood for me and you know. For me see blood, me I cry and anything. For me, I look at you, man. For me about 12 them with it. They call me blood up till now.
So where you used to get them cut here? Where you born?
I'm born at Kingston, so
We're in Kingston.
Harborview.
Okay. So you understand the life, the rough life?
Yeah, man, I understand everything, man. I tell them I go through everything. I spend how much? I go to jail. I go to jail. I in jail twice, but 3 times I go to jail. I go to jail for gun. I go to jail for fight. I go to jail for ganja. So right now, the reason why I'm telling this is just because I decided to change my life right now. Right now, I go through whole lot of things. The amount of things I go through, certain of them I can't remember.
Okay.
All of them can't tell them. Enough things I go through. Behave myself right now. So, in a sense, nobody draw me out. Enough things. Just I behave myself and try to be a good boy. As I can say a class, never. Turn my life around. Education, I do good boy. You see me? Enough little things I go through. Usually bad. When I see you, bad like me about you. Right now. No mean physically, you know. Trouble and anything there. Every little thing. I'm not really grew up with no father. I grew up with no father and something. You see me? You only know my mother. Father not take care of me. I grew up by myself. I grew up for me and look at you. Sometimes I have to find my own food and I sit there. You see me?
In a Kingston?
Yeah, man, I'm there Kingston. No, man, I tell you about me time there, Mandeville. We never have nobody really. We get trouble and anything. We never really have nobody who care for me and anything. You see me? Well, I have my uncle who look out for me, but differently still. For my uncle there around still me alright. And Angela, she treat me good still, you see me? More than me get a bit of trouble and anything, you see. But that was the part and thing. You know?
So now, walk with me. Tell me about Kingston. When you reach a Kingston, what was Kingston like and growing up?
Yeah, man, tell us about Kingston. I was in Kingston about. I come back in February. About the 16th of February. I was in Kingston about 2 years. We got Kingston from about 2002. I come back about February 2004. Besides, I change. I go to Kingston and I do my wrongs and down here. I go to Kingston and feel I can run from there. And, you know, through me that my coat I go and now I get no trouble and things. So I go to Kingston and say I can get away from all that trouble.
So how old are you, blood?
Right now I'm 23.
At 23?
Yeah.
At the age of, let's say, 7, where were you located?
7. I was located in Kingston. Yeah.
We're in Kingston?
Harborview.
Harborview, same way. No mother, no father?
No mother, no father. Mother, they are foreign.
So who are you staying with in Kingston?
My grandmother.
Your grandmother?
Right.
So in Kingston now, food provided by your grandmother?
Food provided by my grandmother.
So you come outside now, what was the scenery like? You know, you come outside and you play or you see drugs or gun. What was the scenery like?
Like in age of 7, like?
Eh.
No, age of 7 still, I don't really remember. You know?
What go on?
Right,
Well, everything was cool.
Everything was cool.
You was going to church and things?
No. Like school and school and things.
Age 10, what changed from 7 to 10? What tell me what changed now where the bad man start come out now, the troublemaker. What changed?
No. Alright. Normally, alright, I grew up in I finished grew up in an artist. I was in artist when I was 10. Giving trouble same way. get beat up. Sometimes I want them for revenge. Sometimes I want them for revenge, you understand? You, the boy, them take set for me and all them things, them be a take set for and anything, you see me? So I don't know for revenge and anything, so I start grow up with this anger in me. This grievance in me that's anybody say anything to me too bad, I want, you know? Fight. So I don't know what me really get the anger from that's anybody say. Anybody say nothing to me bad, I want to fight and something, you understand? So that's why I decide say, I don't take no more this for nobody and anything. So I grew up, alright, 16. 16 now. When I'm 16, I go to school, I go to school, go and come. Sometimes a year I don't go to school, right? You see me? Sometimes...
Kevin, sorry, I'm trying to ask you, is my friend the tin ones?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's what I say. I usually go to school, so and I say, I never really have nobody to send me to school straight. Something my uncle did with me, but as well I tell us I did bad. I did bad, so sometimes they even give up. Sometimes they say they give up. You see me?
Give up on you.
Give up. But I have an uncle named Danny Sutherland. He still stands strong for me, you see me? I love him. I love him. If I get rich a man, half and riches are for me. I love that man, you see me?
So now basically you go through a struggle without a father or mother.
My father, I tell you saying man, my father have money, you know. My father have money, you know. Understand? He is a man that, I don't know, a show off thing in deal with. You see me? Sometimes, me and him usually deal. Sometimes, when me and him deal, sometimes he say, when me are 16, sometimes me and him usually go up my house and I never even know myself. Sometimes he tell people say I'm my pitney that, my boy that, you know. And he have another time when me come out there. He have another time when he sit back behind me, but he never look for me in front of me and say, and I'm my son that. You're not for me. You understand? He ever say, and he never look for my mother. My mother call him and I ask him, say, my mother call him and ask him. You see me? Sometimes, me and him usually deal. Sometimes, when me and him deal, sometimes he say, when me are 16, sometimes me and him usually go up my house and I never even know myself. Sometimes he tell people say I'm my pitney that, my boy that, you know. And he have another time when me come and say, he have another time when he sit back behind me, but he never say, I called him, remember one time my mother called him on the phone and say, Devon, oh you not take care of your son, what? I mean I really remember when he tell my mother say still, but he remember saying tell my mother say, and he tell my mother say, it's like, I'll be a trouble me, I give me road and anything there. That is no pass for you tell, that you can't tell my mother say, I show my road. So you give up on me show my road. You can't give up on me show my road, Bridget. You can't give up, you have to fight. If you really love me, you have to fight for me, you see me? You see me? If it wasn't for you, I do certain things right now. And you know, say, I realize when I 18, I realize when I 18, I'm not busy about no father. I don't think about no father up till today. I don't even know if I have a father. I'm not busy about no father. I only know that I have me and my mother. And right now, I tell you that I live strong and I realize I'm a dash way pass. I go a thing there. I go to jail for about 1 week and a couple of days. The gun. My uncle helped me get me out of that. Shoot up the one bridge in there, I said. The court go on for 1 year. Stress me out. Draw out the money that I have. And my father never helped me get the dollar to put in my bank. I work for that. For sure, I'm full of ambition. I walk and beg. I try to live my life good. But differently, the revenge, when you decide to take back, what others do to me in your life. And right now, I say, I got to do good. and I go succeed. And I know it's better do that for me. Let me tell you something, brethren. When I there Kingston, I left from down here. I left from Manchester, Mandeville, and go to Kingston. And I said I go change. You know when I left go to Kingston? 6 months later. 6 months later. And I said I go to Kingston and go change my life and thing. A gun me take up. Same way. I'm going to one company. Be a gun. They matter about and them. They matter about the and them family them. I know them on them heart. I know all of them on them. You see me? I decided to go change my life. Behave myself. Go to Kingston and see about this thing. You see me?
Yes, bad man.
Go on there.
Me there today.
Yeah, today.
Yeah, man. Get me some sweet stuff.
Sweet stuff.
Yeah, man.
I get some kid. I want to find.
Anything, you know, mister. No bother. No, me not watch no. Go on through.
You're right now, still in my mind to talk. Probably.
This is Ron. Hearties, Manchester, Mandeville. Naturally, we run an interview with a man called Blood. He grew up pretty tough life without his father or mother. Went to jail for gun, but now he's changing his life. Blood, why you decide to change your life? And how you intend to change your life?
Yeah, the reason I decide to change my life, you know, when I look back, you know, I have an uncle named Danny, I see him struggle with me and all that, you understand? I see my uncle named Dennis. I love him. I love him. He beat me for learn still, but I love him. Enough batteration to learn. But I love him see me. I love him.
Alright, Blood, I'll talk louder for the crowd them. Throughout the world is seeing this. This is a Jamaican youth at age 20. Went to jail for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
You had knife, you run through Kingston, through the toughest gangs.
Toughest gang.
Sell drugs.
No. Yeah, drugs, ganja.
Ganja, weed,
Ganja,
not drugs. Weed.
Weed, never drugs.
Never drugs.
Get involved with drugs. Never. You see drugs one time, never ever get involved with drugs. That's the only thing.
So you would be considered a real road boy.
Really, never ever. I can swear to that. I want everybody to know when I talk on the video. Shooting me and tell them. Never get involved with drugs. Never.
No.
Get involved with weed, we get involved with gun, we get involved with knife, all of them things we can think about. But never drugs. Never interested in them.
Now, at the time when you were doing these things, what was going through your mind? Was it a survival thing?
It was yeah, that in a game too, but as I said, I don't know, it's just revenge.
Revenge.
It's just revenge.
Do you think it's revenge on mostly your father because he wasn't there?
Right. That is it. My father wasn't there for me. So I decided to I don't really care anymore. You understand? Because I never have nobody to say. My uncle, he's not there for me, you know, but he's a busy man, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
He's a busy man. But if any little thing, I him that. But him busy. Him not go there and say, him not go there for looking at my book. Him not go there for do, to say, do me and don't do this, do me and don't do that. That was my decision.
What would you say to your father now?
I have nothing to say. Alright, this is it. I walk on the street, from age 14 go down. Youth, all the youth on the street them, bigger youth man. Youth, you must kill your father down. You must shoot him when you go down. Let me tell you, age 14 still I never know nothing about gun. Never hold gun. I'm at age 14. See gun but I never hold gun. Never dream to never hold gun at age 14. You must shoot your father down. I tell you say, sometimes I say, yeah man, I must kill him man, but alive.
Who asked you that question?
Like shabba them on the youth, shabba them on the road, the whole of them youth them. The whole of them youth them on the street. Shabba, Wayne, the whole of them youth them on the street.
These are guys you grew up with.
Them guys, you know, bigger guys more than me when I usually go around.
And because you told them about the pain with your father.
Them know, them see and know. Them know so my father never cared for me. Them see and know. Them see and know. Everybody see and know. So it's like everybody know my background but my father never deal with me right. Never schooled me, never feed me.
So the anger from him turned into a revenge upon any boy who treat you wrong.
Right. I usually get a lot of kick up, beat up. Right now I can guarantee you this right now. Year 23, them not more for call me elder right now. Me try to make my name and to all the revenge when me say me take back and to all me start have no mercy. Me start not have no fear. Me start no care. Everybody knows me have gun. The shooting incident when me do down here, so you have guy when I go take no chance with me and then something there. So you gotta have guy with fear me. You gotta have the guy when I come cross and say they might diss me or nothing like that. So me end up right now, nobody now diss me or nothing like that. You understand? So me end up right now, me I behave myself.
So you have your stripes of respect.
Yeah, me have my stripe of respect. So right now nobody now go wrong with me.
So the pain inside you is still not healed.
It's a kind of heal up still, because what me I say now, I look into life differently. You know? Me I say, I don't need no father right now.
You're 20.
I'm 23.
23.
Yeah, and I don't need a father right now.
So you just rely upon you and God.
Just rely upon me and God.
What's the move from here? Let's talk about the movement so you're going to change your life and make better for your life. What kind of schooling you going through?
Yeah, I go on class. Alright. I go on class like this. As I may tell you, say, we never finish schooling. Never finish schooling. Can read, but not really properly. But that is the class where I go right now to uplift my reading more. That's me not to read and book. I read and make a mistake. Understand? I mean I do maths and English otherwise. Understand?
This story is gonna be on SaveJamaica.com on the internet. Right, Blood?
Yeah.
You're one of the first youth that I came back here to interview to try to extract the PNR try show the world of Jamaica men and women internationally what the youth going through. You see me?
Right now, alright. That what I tell him. I'm not going to fear to talk this on the video camera because I don't think I'll go back. I don't think I'll go back there. I don't think I'll go back there. I plan to change my life. Right now, I have my girlfriend, she'll take care of me straight. I can't tell last me eat up at my house. She'll take care of me straight. She'll feed me. I'm kinda alright. She'll send me to class and then something. Alright right now, you understand? Alright right now. So I don't look back for nobody if help coming in my way, by my family them. I not say I won't take it, you understand? But I think I'm gonna need it from my father.
Okay. So you go class and you try to educate yourself at age 23.
At age 23 right now.
Can you miss out on a lot of education?
Miss out a lot.
What kind of jobs are you willing to do?
I'm willing to do alright. My aim, I forgot about in the truck business.
Truck business?
Yeah. Because I usually work on the wharf, you know. Same time I work on the wharf, at the same time in this gang, same time in this gun thing, same time in this violence. I go through a lot. That's I can't even explain. I go through a lot that I can't even remember. But I go through a lot. And it's like Me get lecturing to go back to go a church and anything, man. You know? And this me just this God no call for me, do you understand? So me decide say me not ready until God call for me. Me decide say me not go until God call for me. But differently, me I behave myself. I decide to behave myself for the rest of my life. I decide to go back in another thing there. I do it for my family.
It's a touching story. How many youths like you have a similar story? And what make you think your story different from enough man in Jamaica?
No, alright. You see, alright. You have enough. You have them stories too. You have enough. You have them story. You know. Probably bad. Probably not half worse as my story. But you have enough. You have them story. But me not gonna be like them, and I continue with the violence and the grievance and anything. You know. I try to let it out and spit it out and throw it away. That's why, as my friend now, came from New York, you know, come interview me and thing. I try to make you know, say, my past, I try to throw it away. Try to get rid of it. Try to be a good person.
When the times get hard, and no money and nothing to run, what the first things come to your mind? Flashbacks.
The first thing come to my mind sometimes still have to go back to Kingston, go pick up the gun back and start the foolishness again. But sometimes I say, it's not worth it. Sometimes I say, it better me bear the hungry. And better me bear the pain. When I forgot they go rob another man. Sometimes it better me just keep it easy and just go and hold my mates until things come my way. Better me bear the hungriness. And I go out there go rob another man will come from far. Because that man when I rob, he cannot come from far just like me, you understand? He cannot come to the same things and make it in a life. And I go rob him. I can't the same person like me, I go rob. And it's not really worth it.
During the journey, this experience, and after Kingston, did you seek occupation in the lower level of farm just for earn the honest dollar? Did you seek that kind of work, maybe like a construction work?
Yes, I've been through a lot of work, you know. Simple. As you hear me talk and I give you this interview about my life and this gun thing business, I got through a lot of work. I do every little thing. Just because I'm a family, I'm my uncle, you understand? Not saying that I have to do it, you know. But we do it just because I'm a family.
So basically your uncle are the one who truthfully you love and cherish.
Just my uncle. Although I have Dennis and Danny. The two loving uncle we can look back on and say, yeah, and them save the day.
So this film will be distributed through the Ghetto for Try to Help Youth. When you tell the youth them that the Ghetto, I've been through this, what steps them for take for just throw the gun and move forward?
No, right now I tell the youth them say right now, youth, pull on your gun. In a word to kill your black brother, and in a word to rob your black brother and sister. Put it down, throw it away. Step up. Just be honest to yourself and be honest to other people. Just try to uplift yourself by looking at job. You have people out there will help you, you know. You just want to show people where you got through, and you just want to show people say you change and anything. You understand? You just want to do things that right. Just show it and tell them. You know, pretty.
Alright,
police
so
are running down, police are look for you. You know, pretty when you can't see for your bed at night time.
Are your girlfriend there?
Yeah, my girlfriend.
She take care of you?
Yeah, man, she take care of me.
Alright, so this is part 1 of Blood. Stay tuned for part 2.
Yeah, man, for real. I have another story for today. I go down and I think about it. After I finish it with breakfast, right now I'm hungry still. After I finish it with breakfast, I give you a lot more.
Alright.
We never expect.
Good.
For real.